In today's video, I'll be sharing top side hustle ideas for women in 2023. There's this level of joy that comes with having multiple streams of passive income. This is the kind of energy we are bringing into 23. This side hustle can be done from the comfort of your home. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Funmike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Funmike. I create content on business ideas, different money making tutorials and reviews. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. If any of this resonates with you, please go ahead and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button to join the team today. In today's video, I'll be sharing top side hustle ideas for women in 2023. And this side hustle can be done from the comfort of your home. If you have a 9-to-5 job, you're a stay-at-home mom, you're a student, an entrepreneur, or any category at all, as a woman, this side hustle idea is for you. There's nothing wrong with having a 9-to-5 job. For example, I have a 9-to-5 job and I am very good at what I do and I love the idea of being a career woman. Yes, but there's this level of joy that comes with having multiple streams of passive income, and this is the kind of energy we are bringing into 23. You make money from every angle. This side hustle ideas I'll be talking about can even become your full-time job. If you have a side hustle ideas you're doing already, please leave a comment below and tell us what it is. Without further ado, let's jump right into the business of the day. The first side hustle idea I'll be talking about is virtual assistants. This right here is one of the favorite side hustle ideas I love talking about. I've been sharing the gospel and I won't stop sharing it. Virtual assistants are in high demand and it can never go out of fashion. A virtual assistant is an individual who provides administrative support, creative support, and technical assistance to clients remotely. Some of the services rendered as a virtual assistant includes scheduling appointments, data entry, customer support service, social media management, organizing travels, and so on. International brands are always looking for virtual assistants to cut out many operational costs. So virtual assistants are in high demand. If you know how to organize files digitally, respond to emails, draft press releases, have simple data entry skills, then virtual assistants is something you should consider. You can set up your own work hours and your rates. This is very good for stay-at-home moms, for students, or people who have a little time on their hands. I have a video on this channel where I explain everything you need to know about starting your virtual assistant business. I'll link that video right up here. The steps are well listed in that video, so you should check out that video to have full understanding on how this business works. The second side hustle idea for women in 2023 is website testing. Website testing refers to the process of evaluating the performance, functionality, and usability of a website by performing a series of tests on it. And as a website tester, you can earn between $10 to $20 per hour. Some of the tests performed are testing for compatibility with different web browsers and devices, testing a website's responsiveness, load times, and checking for any broken links or errors. This is also done to identify and fix any issues with the website before it is made public. And this is basically to ensure a positive user experience. You can get website testing gigs on platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, usertesting.com, and playtester.com. You can also get some of these gigs on LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Indoor, and also through networking. The third side hustle ideas for women I'll be talking about is dropshipping. So what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is simply the art of buying and selling without having to stock up goods. You're simply the middleman between the owner of that product, the supplier of the product, and the end user. You're simply working with suppliers who have those products in bulk. Most of the suppliers have their various dropshipping platforms, which can be on Telegram or WhatsApp, and you can make a whole lot of money through dropshipping. I have videos on this channel where I explain everything you need to know about dropshipping. I even gave out contact of tested and trusted suppliers you can dropship for. I'll link that video right up here. Please check it out. The fourth side hustle idea I'll be talking about is online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skills, it is high time you start teaching people online. Yes. This can be in any subject or any skills at all. If you're an accountant or you have basic accounting skills you can impact into people, you can start teaching them online. It could be languages, it could be mathematics, anything you know you're very good at and you're skilled at, and start teaching people online to earn money. Create courses and trainings out of it and start teaching people online. The fifth side hustle ideas for women I'll be talking about is freelancing. Freelancing is a way of working where an individual offers their services to multiple clients. This can be on a project or contract basis. Freelancers are self-employed and have the freedom to choose which project or contract they wish to work on. Freelancing is a great option for women who are looking for flexibility with their work schedule, or for people who have skills that can be easily transferred to different contracts or projects. Some of the services you can render as a freelancer are: number one, writing. You get to work on projects such as content creation, copywriting, technical writing, and more. You can also freelance as a graphic designer, such as creating logos, brochures, and different graphic templates for businesses and brands. You can also freelance as a photographer and web developer. Platforms where you can get freelancing gigs are Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancers, and so on. The next side gig I'll be talking about is social media management. Many businesses are looking for help managing their social media accounts. If you have any experience managing different social media platforms, then this option is for you. The next side also ideas for women I'll be talking about is starting a YouTube channel or blogging. If you have topics you're passionate about and you're very comfortable sitting in front of a camera, then this option is for you. Now, having a monetized YouTube channel is one of the best way of making extra income for yourself. Just search within yourself for topics you're passionate about. There are different issues you can choose to talk about on your channel. It can be food, different tutorials, faith and lifestyle, beauty, tech, anything about finance or health topics. You don't even need to wait until you start having so many gears before you start. Once you have a phone, get a tripod stand and ring light, you're good to go. If you have a side hustle ideas you're doing already, please leave a comment below and tell us what it is. It is important to know that a side hustle can be flexible and can be tailored to fit a busy schedule. It is also a good idea to start small and grow. As you grow, you gain more experience and more clients. Please let me know in the comment section if you would love to start any of the side hustle ideas. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have any video idea you want me to talk about, please drop a comment below in the comment section. I also have a lot of videos where I talked about dropshipping and other business ideas you can start with or without capital. I'll link some of those videos right up here, and some will be in my description box. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time, catch me in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. I love you all.